Imagine an object so powerful, so mysterious that not even light can escape its grasp. Welcome to the world of black holes, the most enigmatic entities in our universe. Today we dive deep into their secrets, exploring how they form, what they are made of, and if they could lead us to another universe. Our very own Milky Way is estimated to contain over 100 million black holes, and at its heart lies a behemoth, Sagittarius A*. This supermassive black hole is about 4 million times the mass of our Sun and sits 26,000 light-years away. But how do we even see something that doesn't emit light? In 2019, scientists achieved a groundbreaking feat, capturing the very first image of a black hole in the M87 galaxy, 55 million light-years from Earth. This proved what was once just a theory. So, how are black holes born? Well, they form in two major ways. First, when a massive star, at least 8 to 10 times the mass of our Sun, burns out its fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, forming a stellar mass black hole. The second method, some black holes form directly from collapsing gas, creating supermassive black holes that are thousands, even millions of times heavier than our Sun. Did you know that black holes were first predicted in 1915 as a mathematical solution to Einstein's theory of general relativity? But it was Carl Schwarzschild who first described them in detail. Do black holes ever die? Not exactly, but they do slowly evaporate. According to Stephen Hawking, black holes emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation, which causes them to lose mass over trillions of years. Are black holes wormholes? Theoretically, the interior of a black hole could contain a tunnel to another universe, but this remains purely speculative. For now, we know that black holes are the ultimate destroyers, not cosmic shortcuts. The first black hole ever discovered was Cygnus X1. In 1964, scientists detected powerful X-rays coming from a bright blue star orbiting an invisible object, a clear sign of a black hole feasting on stellar material. Our galaxy alone may harbor up to 1 billion black holes. The closest one to Earth? Gaia BH1, lurking just 1,560 light-years away. But don't worry, it's not a threat to us. Black holes have three main parts: the event horizon, the inner event horizon, and the singularity, a point where gravity is so extreme that the laws of physics break down. Capturing images of black holes isn't easy. The iconic 2019 image of the M87 black hole took years of data processing. But scientists aren't stopping there. Next up is Sagittarius A*, our own Milky Way's supermassive black hole. What if you fell into a black hole? Classical physics suggests you'd be stretched into spaghetti before reaching the singularity, but a newer theory suggests you'd hit a firewall and be instantly vaporized. Either way, it's not a pleasant trip. Here are some mind-blowing black hole facts. Black holes don't actually suck. Objects fall into them just like anything falls due to gravity. The famous Cygnus X1 discovery sparked a bet between physicists Stephen Hawking and Kip Thorne, and Hawking lost. Miniature black holes may have formed right after the Big Bang. Science fiction meets reality. The movie Interstellar consulted physicist Kip Thorne to accurately depict black holes. The result? One of the most realistic black hole visualizations ever seen on screen. Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe, and we are just beginning to uncover their secrets. What do you think? Could black holes hold the key to new dimensions? Let us know in the comments below.